Hello everyone and welcome back again. In the last two videos, we have covered a lot of things of the React navigation, like navigating from one screen to another screen, and also how to pass the data from one screen to the another, and bottom tabs also. In this video, we are going to know how to handle the multiple stacks like Auth Stack, main stack, and tab routes, and combine these things in one. So let's start with the practical. In the last video, we add the tabs. In this video, we are going to combine everything like auth stack, main stack, and tabs also. So for that, first I'm going to the navigation, and then I'm creating the first auth stack. And then I'm going to create another file also with the main stack. So I create the two files with the name of the main stack and auth stack. And let me define this is my main stack. First, I'm going to remove the view also. We don't need the view, and also styling. Create the auth stack also. I also remove these things. See? So we create two more files also, auth stack and main stack, and we will combine these three in the route. So I will show you how to combine these things also. So now I'm going to the official documentation, this and hello React navigation, and there I'm copy the stack. We need to copy this stack also. This is my auth stack. First, this is my main stack. I'm going first to the auth stack, and this is my auth stack. We should import this also. And now we are going to empty. We need to. So now we are going to define the types also. Export type auth stack screen. So we have login screen, and we have a sign up screen also. So now I'm going to copy this and come here and define the type of your screens. Now stack dot screen. Login. Login and component login screen. We should import our login screen also. Just copy this. Now I'm going to change the login to the sign up, and this is also, this is our auth screen. See, we can see this is our auth screen. And now I'm going to the my route. So this is my route. I'm removing this also. So I will remove the bottom tabs also. Let me reload it. So now I'm going to import my auth stack, and save it. And we have only two screen, login and sign up. See, this is our login screen and this is our sign up screen. So now I want to combine my main stack to the auth stack, like we want to create another file also. So now I'm going to the main stack, and here I'm going to, and here I also same like auth stack. Just import your auth, copy, and just in main stack, go to the main stack and paste it. We need to import the create native stack navigator also, and define the types also. Export type main stack. So we need to assign this type to our stack. Now I'm going to import my bottom tabs also. Screen name, this is my bottom tabs. So this is my main stack. So I import my bottom tabs also in the main stack. Now I'm going to the route. Now I'm going to create the one variable is auth token false, and just copy this variable And now I'm going to import the main stack also. This is my main stack. So let me reload. See, we have a bottom tabs also. So if the S token is true, so it will go to the login. If the S token is false, so it will go to the auth stack. So like this, we can combine the multiple stack and React Native. So now I'm going to create another screen also, and that screen I will import to the main stack. So let's go. So in here, I will create the one screen more, like a search screen. And so I will import the search screen. Now I'm going to the index.tx. So we create the search screen and we export that search screen from the index. So now I'm going to the main stack and we can import our search screen also, like a stack dot screen. So first I'm going to define the type also for search screen. Just copy and paste it. We need a component also, component and search screen. So I import my search screen also in the main stack. So now I'm going to the home screen and I can navigate to the search screen from the home screen also. So let me go to the home screen. This is my home screen, and so we already defined the use navigation in the home screen, but I will go to change the types of the home screen also. Like we need to main stack type, and now I'm going to remove these things and just come here. We need to define navigation dot navigate, and we need to go. If I click to the first screen home, so then I will go to the search screen. Let me reload it. This is my search screen. I can go see. This is my search screen. Let me reload it again. Whenever I click to the first screen home, so I will go to the search screen. So this is my search screen. Let me change the styling of the search screen. This is my search. Let me and align item center also. So this is my search screen. See, so like this we can combine the multiple stack in the one route, and also we can manage our auth stack, main stack, and so like this we can manage our auth stack and main stack. In the next video I will show you how to integrate the top bar and the drawer also in the React Native. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.